Ideas come to you at strange times. Obviously, generally, actually, when you're most relaxed. For example, last thing at night, when you're in bed, you're almost asleep, that's when you might get that idea. SAMs give you kind of a freedom to build objects very rapidly. I think the beauty is in the simplicity of the components and the speed in which you can then test out different scenarios. Today I'm using two modules, the DC motor and the light sensor. So the drum machine was quite interesting. Once we constructed the device, we found objects that we felt worked very well acoustically. So we could use a light sensor, and simply changing a setting in the app, we could then increase the speed of the motor or decrease it using a hand over the light sensor. My name is Adam Blenko, and I've created this drum machine using SAM Labs.